Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to have a look at the user agent and how to spoof it. Now the user agent is a piece of information that the client sends to the web server when it's requesting a website, and it is very easy to spoof it. Now let me show you that real quick what my user agent looks like. So I just can search what is my user agent, and as you can see, this is my user agent. So it basically gives us information about the browser, about the operating system. So I'm using a Linux Mint virtual machine. Now to spoof this, you just want to get the information you want to spoof. Now let's say, for example, you want to spoof the user agent of an Apple iPad device. So just search for user agent iPad, and we can try this one right here. Now as you can see, we have here several user agents and other informations. So let's go with this, for example. It's a Safari iPad. Now close this, highlight it and copy it. Now you go to the configuration settings in the browsers. To do that, you just type about:config. You accept the risk and continue. Now in the search bar, you want to search for general.useragent.override. This doesn't exist, so we're going just to add it as a string, because we're going now to paste the string we copied before. Now here you want to paste it. It's not working. Copy and paste. Save this. And now you want to search for user agent again in order to see if we successfully have spoofed it. So just type what is my user agent again, and as you can see, the output is the user agent we copied before, so this one right here. And as you may have noticed, also the layout is different. It is smaller. We have the search bar up here as if this device is an iPad. So we successfully have spoofed the user agent. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye.